Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer from Bank of America to Capital One. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to know these steps for us to basically make a transfer. So first thing you want to do is we need to navigate to the Pay and Transfer section, and from there, click on Zelle and then proceed on clicking on Send. Now on the next screen, you need to basically enter further details about your account as well as the recipient details. Now from there, select the recipient, so choose the intended recipient for the money transfer from your contact list or input their details. Now in this case, you have to input the details of the Capital One account that you want to make the transaction on. Now from there, enter the amount and choose funding account. Now specify the amount you wish to transfer and select the funding account from which the money will be withdrawn. Now from there, include an optional note. So add any additional information or personalized note to accompany the transaction. Now this step is optional, but it can be useful for providing context or details about the transfer itself. Now from there, tap Send Money, and from there just confirm and initiate the transfer by tapping on the Send Money button. Now by following the steps, you can seamlessly navigate through the process of using Zelle for your transaction from Bank of America to Capital One. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.